Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the CapCut PC in offline mode. Through this video, I'm going to show you what you can do if you want to edit your videos but doesn't have any internet connection like I did in here. Let's try to click on the video first, and here you can see that some of the features are still can be used when I'm offline. So for example, here I'm going to let's try the mm, okay, stabilize. So if you want to stabilize your video, you can still do that if even if you don't have connection in your computer when you're using the CapCut PC. And let's try go to audio. Okay, so audio is also can be used in here. You can also add like fade in and fade out effect on the audio. You can adjust the speed. Here you can also, let's try go to animation. Okay, so you can still add animations to your video even if you're online. So let's try to go to the stock materials, which is the CapCut library. So I don't think I can use the CapCut library because the preview doesn't show up in here, so I cannot see the videos because I don't have any connection, so I cannot download this. So that's basically it. That's how you can use the CapCut PC in offline mode. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.